Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute somebody on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to mute someone within the application, then you can simply search for their profile using the search box. Or if you come across their profile, you can simply tap on their username. Once you do this, you will be taken into their profile page. Now, if you are following this user, you can tap on the following button and you will unfollow this user right away, which means that you will not see their posts within your wall as before. However, if you wish to completely mute them, tap on the three dots alongside and you will now see the mute account button. Go ahead and tap on it and this account will now be muted right away. You can immediately unmute from their account page if you wish from the three dots menu once again. But if you have multiple accounts that you wish to unmute, then just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner from your homepage and then tap on settings. From here, tap on moderation and then tap on muted accounts in order to unmute all of your accounts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mute any user on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.